Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to your location or to your application, right? Then how we can fix it? First of all, we will just go into the Play Store. Once we go here, we will search Facebook, right? And we will make sure that Facebook is updated, right? In the place of open, if you find option to update, then update your Facebook right now. After the updating, just go to the settings of your phone. Once you go here, you have to search app management. App management is something that all the mobile application is shown here, which is present in your phone, right? And here on this search bar, we will try Facebook. Once we go here on the Facebook, we will just go to the storage usage. We'll clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, it will fix your problem. But if it doesn't, then we'll just clear the data, and you have to re-log in after clearing data, right? This will 100% fix your problem forever. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Subscribe.